In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create random blur text animation. Type the composition name, check the settings, then click OK. Right-click on the timeline, then click New, Solid. Change name to the background if you want to. Use this when you want to change the background color. Go to the text panel and type two words. I will type random blur. Align the text to the center. Go to the project panel, select the text layer, then click Animate, choose Scale. Click on Animator 1, then click Add, Property, Opacity. Click Add again, then choose Property, then Blur. Place the playhead at frame 0, then increase the blur to about 50%. Set the scale to about 200%. Set the opacity to 0%. Expand Range Selector 1. Click the stopwatch to add a keyframe at the start. Move the playhead to 1 second. Then change the start value to 100%. Move the playhead to 4 seconds. Then add another keyframe for start. Move the playhead to 5 seconds. Then change the start value back to 0%. See the animation? Go to Advanced and turn on Randomized Order. Select all keyframe and press F9 to apply Easy Ease. Rename Animator 1 to Random Blur or any name you want if you want to save it as your own preset. Go to Animation, Save Animation Presets, then save it to your desktop for future use. Create a new composition, name it Text Presets. Click OK. It's up to you whether to add a background. If you want to add a background, right-click in the timeline, then select New Solid. Type any words you like, for example, text presets, aligned, I will make it bigger. I will change color to red. Go to Animation menu and select Browse Presets. This will launch Adobe Bridge. In Bridge, you will see the Text Presets folders. Double-click one to explore the presets. Let's try Animate in Presets. If you like it, double-click it. Ensure that you place the playhead at frame 0. After applying, return to the After Effects and check the animation.